Under the what do you thermal you right maybe medical alcoholism pirates use a peg they blew God's really every kind of what let me it's
Bro.
Thank you.
Oh, she did it! Bitch!